Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most underrated cleaning tools on the planet, microfiber towels. They're inexpensive, reusable, eco-friendly, and effective at picking up dirt and grime. But most people use them for about one or two tasks, when in reality you can use them to replace an entire shelf of cleaning supplies. That's why in this video we're breaking down 10 super practical ways to clean with microfiber towels to make cleaning your home fast and efficient. Let's dive right in. First up is simple but powerful. Dusting. Microfiber towels have thousands of split fibers that naturally attract dust and debris through static charge, meaning you don't need to use sprays or chemicals to clean a surface. Just use the towel dry and sweep it over shelves, baseboards, blinds, picture frames, and even delicate items like plants or decor. The dust clings right to the towel instead of floating into the air, leaving your surfaces cleaner in one quick pass. Our commercial cleaning towels work great for this purpose. You can also color code them to prevent cross-contamination. Next up is a fan favorite, cleaning glass and mirrors. Microfiber towels are amazing at getting rid of fingerprints, smudges, and even toothpaste splatters without leaving streaks or lint behind. Lightly dampen the towel. Don't soak it and wipe it in a circular motion. Then flip to a dry side to polish the surface. You can clean windows, bathroom mirrors, sliding doors, and even glasses with nothing more than just water. The Glass Weave glass cleaning towels are specifically designed for cleaning glass, and it works wonders making it shine. Number 3 is stainless steel cleaning, which is one of the most tricky spots to maintain. But microfiber towels can easily lift fingerprints and smudges without scratching the metal. All you need to do is wet the towel slightly, wipe with the grain of the steel, and then use a clean, dry microfiber towel to buff it out, leaving it shiny, clean, and totally streak-free. Again, the commercial cleaning towels are a great option for this. Fourth, we've got kitchen counters and spills. Microfiber towels are incredibly absorbent and pick up spills much faster than paper towels and don't push liquids around. When used with warm water or an all-purpose cleaner, they also grab onto these grease and crumbs with ease. They're safe for almost every countertop surface. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your kitchen clean throughout the day. The Wave kitchen towels, or the Antimicrobial Silver towels, which is embedded with Novron, a silver-based agent, are my picks for these spaces. Number 5, bathroom cleaning. Bathrooms are full of soap scum, toothpaste, and even water spots, but microfiber can easily cut through all of these surprisingly well. A damp microfiber towel can clean sinks, faucets, shower doors, counters, and even tile walls. After wiping, switch to a dry towel to polish everything for a shiny, freshly cleaned look. You'll be shocked at how much grime microfiber picks up with just water and how much time it saves during your weekly clean. Number 6, let's talk about car interiors. Microfiber towels are gentle on dashboards, leather seats, touchscreens, and even door panels, making them perfect for car interiors. They trap dust without scratching surfaces. For the exterior, microfiber is ideal for drying your car after a wash because it absorbs water quickly and reduces the chance of swirl marks or streaks. Many professional detailers rely almost entirely on microfiber towels, and once you try them, you'll understand why. Our brand Detailer's Preference has an entire line of microfiber towels and products specifically dedicated for auto detailing. Be sure to check them out in the description below. Number 7 is floor cleaning, using a microfiber towel when you don't have mop pads. Here's the coolest hack. Wrap a microfiber towel around a mop plate to have it double up as a mop pad and use them dry to sweep up dust and pet hair, so you end up with cleaner floors in less time. Plus, the towels are washable, meaning you can reuse them hundreds of times. Number 8, electronics. Microfiber towels are the safest option for cleaning TV screens, laptop monitors, tablets, camera lenses, and smartphones because they don't scratch or leave lint behind. Use them completely dry or fog up the surface with your breath for a little moisture. Just avoid spraying liquids directly on electronics. A single microfiber towel like our Suede edgeless towel can keep all your screens looking brand new without streaks or smudges. Number 9 is an absolute lifesaver for pet owners, pet hair removal. Lightly dampen a microfiber towel and run it over fabric surfaces like couches, car seats, carpets, and pet beds. The fibers grab onto the fur instantly, making it much easier to collect and remove compared to using a vacuum alone. It works especially well for short, stubborn hairs that like to cling to upholstery. And finally, number 10, polishing. Use a clean and dry microfiber towel to buff and shine surfaces like wood furniture, metal accents, glass tables, and home decor. The fibers remove fingerprints, oils, and smudges effortlessly, leaving everything with a smooth, polished finish. It's great for quick touch-ups before guests arrive or whenever your space needs a fast refresh. All our premium towels for cleaning are on our CleanAid website. The link will be in the description box below. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Don't wash microfiber towels with fabric softeners or dryer sheets. They clog the fibers and make the towels way less effective. Wash them in warm water with mild detergent and let them air dry or tumble dry on low. This keeps them working like new for not months but years. And there you have it, 10 super helpful ways to clean with a microfiber towel. They're affordable, reusable, and honestly make cleaning every room around the house much better. If you are interested in these amazing microfiber towels, be sure to check the description box below. It's gonna have the links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and be sure to comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.